So you're here to see how to hard reset your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, right? Well, in this video, we're going to show you how you can do that. Just remember, after the reset, all the previous data will be deleted from your watch. But you'll find it in the Zep app next time whenever you log into it using the same Gmail account. Now to factory reset your watch, from the home screen, press once on this button. From settings, scroll down again to system, and here, select factory reset. And then tap on this sign to confirm. You'll feel your watch vibrate, and after a while, QR code will appear on your watch face. Now to complete the process, you're gonna unpair it from your phone. For that, open the app, tap on your profile, then tap on your watch name, scroll down till the end, and tap on Unpair. Keep tapping on it a couple of times for the process to complete. Now, just in case your watch screen or button is not working or responding during reset process, unpair it from your phone first before reset. You'll get the same QR code. What you can do is just swipe left and factory reset right from here. So that's how you can hard reset your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini watch. Hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to our channel before you leave. Thank you for watching.